Did you know that certain nutrients are excellent to clean your liver? The liver is one of the largest and most vital organs in our body, playing a crucial role in maintaining overall health. It is located in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen and performs over 500 different functions. One of the liver's primary responsibilities is detoxification. It acts as the body's natural filter, removing toxins, drugs, and harmful substances from the bloodstream. This detoxification process involves two main phases. In addition to detoxification, the liver plays a critical role in metabolism. It regulates blood sugar levels by storing and releasing glucose as needed, ensuring a steady supply of energy for the body. The liver also produces essential proteins, such as albumin and clotting factors, which are crucial for maintaining blood pressure, fluid balance, and proper blood clotting. Furthermore, the liver is responsible for producing bile, a substance that aids in the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. The liver also stores important vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12, as well as iron and copper. By storing these nutrients, the liver ensures that the body has a readily available supply to support various physiological processes. Moreover, the liver plays a role in regulating cholesterol levels, converting excess cholesterol into bile acids, which are then excreted from the body. By performing these functions and many others, the liver helps maintain the body's internal balance and overall health. What signs indicate poor liver health? Poor liver health can manifest in various ways, and recognizing these signs early can help prevent further complications. One common condition associated with poor liver health is fatty liver disease, which occurs when excess fat accumulates in liver cells. This can lead to inflammation and damage over time. Some signs and symptoms of fatty liver and poor liver health include fatigue and weakness. Feeling constantly tired and lacking energy can be a sign that the liver is struggling to perform its functions effectively. Abdominal discomfort. Pain or discomfort in the upper right side of the abdomen can indicate liver inflammation or enlargement. Jaundice. A yellowing of the skin and eyes occurs when the liver is unable to process bilirubin, a waste product from the breakdown of red blood cells. Dark urine and pale stools. Changes in urine and stool color can result from impaired bile production or flow. Swelling and fluid retention. Poor liver function can lead to fluid retention in the abdomen and legs, causing swelling and bloating. What are the detox phases? The liver detoxifies harmful substances through two primary phases. Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification. Phase 1 detoxification. This phase involves the activation of enzymes, particularly cytochrome P450 enzymes, which convert toxins into intermediate compounds. While these intermediate compounds are sometimes more toxic than the original substances, Phase 2 detoxification quickly processes them to minimize harm. Phase 2 detoxification. During this phase, the liver adds molecules to the intermediate compounds, making them water-soluble. This process is known as conjugation, and it involves adding molecules like glutathione, sulfate, or glucuronic acid to the toxins. Once water-soluble, these compounds can be safely eliminated from the body through urine or bile. What toxins does the liver eliminate? The liver is responsible for eliminating a wide range of toxins from the body. These are alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can overload the liver, leading to liver damage and diseases such as alcoholic liver disease. Medications. The liver metabolizes various medications, ensuring they are safely processed and eliminated from the body. Environmental toxins. These include pollutants, heavy metals, and chemicals from processed foods. Metabolic waste products. The liver helps remove waste products generated from normal metabolic processes. By effectively detoxifying these substances, the liver protects the body from potential harm. How much bile is produced in a day? The liver produces approximately 500 to 700 milliliters of bile each day. This essential fluid is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine during digestion. What are the functions of the bile? Bile plays several crucial roles in the digestive process, supporting the liver's function and promoting overall health. Fat digestion and absorption. Bile emulsifies fats, breaking them down into smaller droplets that can be easily digested by pancreatic enzymes. This process is essential for the absorption of dietary fats and fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Waste elimination. Bile helps eliminate waste products, such as bilirubin, which is a byproduct of red blood cell breakdown, and excess cholesterol, from the body. These waste products are incorporated into bile and excreted through the intestines. Neutralizing stomach acid. Bile neutralizes the acidic chyme, which is a partially digested food, that enters the small intestine from the stomach, creating an optimal pH environment for digestive enzymes to function effectively. Antimicrobial action. Bile contains substances that inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the intestines, promoting a healthy balance of gut microbiota. The efficient production and flow of bile are vital for proper digestion and the elimination of toxins. Supporting liver health ensures that bile production and its various functions are optimized, contributing to overall well-being. What are the excellent foods to clean your liver? Now, let's explore some excellent foods that can help cleanse and rejuvenate your liver, promoting optimal liver function and health. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are rich in compounds like glucosinolates, which support liver detoxification. These compounds enhance the production of detoxifying enzymes and promote the elimination of harmful substances from the body. Regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables can help protect the liver from damage and support its natural detoxification processes. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in liver health. Choline is involved in the synthesis of phospholipids, which are essential for maintaining cell membrane integrity. It also supports fat metabolism and prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver. Including eggs in your diet can help promote healthy liver function and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Broccoli sprouts. Sprouts are rich in sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification and protects against oxidative stress. Sulforaphane activates detoxification enzymes and enhances the liver's ability to eliminate toxins. Consuming broccoli sprouts regularly can help improve liver function and protect against liver damage. Beets are a rich source of betalains, antioxidants that support liver health and detoxification. Betalains help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting the liver's ability to remove toxins. Beets also contain betaine, a compound that supports the liver's detoxification pathways and helps prevent fat accumulation. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for detoxification. These compounds also help eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body. Garlic's antioxidant properties support liver health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Salmon. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that support liver health. Omega-3s help reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and decrease inflammation. Including salmon in your diet can promote liver function and protect against liver diseases. Lemons are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants that support liver detoxification. The sour components in lemons stimulate bile production, aiding in digestion and the elimination of toxins. Drinking lemon water or incorporating lemons into your diet can help cleanse the liver and improve its function. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, the liver is a powerhouse organ, performing over 500 essential functions that are vital for maintaining overall health. As the body's natural filter, it detoxifies harmful substances, including toxins, drugs, and alcohol, through a complex two-phase process. Phase 1 involves the breakdown of toxins into manageable molecules, while Phase 2 transforms these into water-soluble compounds for excretion. Beyond detoxification, the liver plays a pivotal role in metabolism, regulating blood sugar levels and producing crucial proteins such as albumin and clotting factors. It also produces bile, which aids in fat digestion, vitamin absorption, and the elimination of waste products. Recognizing signs of poor liver health, such as fatigue, jaundice, and abdominal discomfort, is crucial for early intervention and management. A healthy diet can significantly support liver function. Foods like cruciferous vegetables, eggs, broccoli sprouts, beets, garlic, salmon, and lemons are excellent for liver health. These foods provide nutrients and compounds that enhance detoxification processes, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative stress and fat accumulation. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can promote liver health and ensure its optimal functioning, contributing to your overall well-being. Maintaining liver health is key to sustaining your body's internal balance and supporting your journey towards better health and wellness. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.